Hello friends, this is Alina and I make holistic health videos to help people find balance one video at a time. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you my tutorial on at-home box braids using a more gentle rubber band method and a way to gently detoxify your braid-in hair. So let's get started. Hey friends, I know my videos are usually all about holistic health with a sprinkle of natural hair videos, and right now, given the current health crisis, I know I haven't been alone in wanting to install some low-maintenance box braids. I wanted to make this video to show you not only how to use the rubber band method, which is super simple and quick, without ripping out your hair, but also to show you how to make your braids less toxic and itchy on the skin. Seeing as the process can take anywhere from 4 to 8 hours to complete, I like to do this process over the course of 2 days to make it less intensive. But if we're all stuck inside anyway, this might be a fun project. By the way, if you're looking to order braid-in hair along with general hair supplies, be sure to check out the For the Culture Beauty website. They're a completely Black-owned beauty supply store that delivers everything you'll need to get box braids like these and more. All right, with all of that said, let's dive into the tutorial. So the supplies you'll need will include a hair pick to divide your hair into sections, elastic hair bands, hair gel for your edges, pre-stretched hair that's the color and length you prefer, apple cider vinegar to cleanse the braid-in hair, and a tub to soak it all in. I just want to reiterate, be sure to get these elastic bands and not the black rubber bands. Those bands are more likely to rip out the hair and make the scalp sore and hard to sleep with. Trust me, I learned this the hard way my first time. By using the elastic bands, they will actually break more easily once the braids are installed, resulting in a more loose and comfortable box braid that still lasts up to 2 months when taken care of, if not even longer. So I chose Afrizam's pre-stretched hair. Now this will make sure the ends of your braids have a natural looking tail off effect rather than a more jagged end to them that makes it look a little more fake, for lack of a better term. You can also stretch the hair yourself, but the price for this was the same as the unstretched, so just get this. I got about 6 packs of hair and it cost me a little under $30, including the rubber bands. Next, you'll want to do an apple cider vinegar rinse on the braid-in hair. Now, this is to take off the gunky casting that's found on typical synthetic braiding hair due to it being coated with an alkaline lye. Now, alkaline lye is a chemical distributed onto strands by the manufacturer to produce a wear and heat-resistant product. However, this added component can cause our skin to become extremely irritated, dry, itchy, and sometimes even cause small hairline bumps to form. This is our body's way of telling us there's something toxic on the hair. So what I like to do is take about 3 to 4 packs of my hair and place them in a small tub in my shower. I then fill the tub with about 3/4 of a cup of apple cider vinegar and fill the rest of the way with water. I then let it sit for about 20 minutes and look at the gunk coming off just initially. And after 20 minutes, there's even more. There's way more. And it's so gross, toxic, and really unnecessary. After this, I rinse the hair and I let it dry overnight. And in the morning, it'll look like this. Super soft, more natural looking to blend in with your real hair, and ready to braid. I do this whole process with the rest of the braid-in hair, along with sectioning my hair off the night before. That way the hair can dry and I can break up the work into a more manageable time frame. Next, what I do is divide my hair the night before with elastic bands, like I mentioned earlier. Now this part is totally optional, But I chose to do this because I wanted to create specific triangular geometric patterns to make it look more Afrofuturistic and also just help the braids frame my face better. Also, please comment down below with any conscious, non-toxic hair gels for laying down edges and doing braids because I'd love to check them out. The following morning, I take one section, I divide my hair in half, and then I start with an initial twist, then divide my hair up to form the normal 3-strand braid. I'll link a video down below going into further detail on how exactly to braid in the hair. Now, this entire process took me about 4 to 5 hours on my first try, but I promise you guys, as long as you're going slow, and especially if you already know how to braid hair, it's pretty hard to mess this up, as long as you're following these steps. But during the 4 to 5 hours, I honestly just binge watched the Ozarks, and time flew by pretty fast. Now, once you've braided all of your hair in, you'll want to cut any strays at the ends for a more cleaner look and to prevent them from poking you, throughout the day. Although, you could totally leave them there and go for a more shaggy, natural look like Zoe Kravitz. I totally love her. Shout out to anyone. Comment below if you guys have watched High Fidelity on Hulu. She is just such an awesome actress and it's a great show. Highly recommend. Your last step will be to dip the hair ends into hot water. Now, this will cause the hair to slightly shrink, preventing them from unraveling at any point while they're in. This will also make the hair less stiff and more flowy for when you want to do an epic hair flip. But please, you must be super careful with this part and avoid dipping your real hair into the hot water, as the water can easily burn you, your real hair, and dipping hair into any cup or bowl can easily lead to it tipping over. So please use precautions. Alright guys, that is my video. Full tutorial on how I do my box braids. If you guys want me to go into further detail into any of the steps I made and explain just any more, please let me know, comment below, and I'll make it. I'm really looking to do many more natural hair videos. I've had natural hair and have been growing it out for quite a few years now and have racked up a lot of experience. I just haven't thought to put them into video form, so I'm really excited for more. And if you guys are interested in holistic health, nutrition, and living a more balanced lifestyle and caring for yourself, definitely check out the rest of my videos. But besides that, I love you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.